Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to update your Ubisoft Connect profile picture? Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. Start by opening Ubisoft Connect on your PC or mobile device and log into your account. Look for Account Management section. Click on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account information. Now click on your current profile picture or pencil icon to open the avatar selections screen. Ubisoft currently only allows official avatars. Browse the available options and select your new profile picture. Once you have chosen, click Save to update your profile picture instantly. And that's it. You ne- your new Ubisoft Connect profile picture is now updated. Try it now. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.